So here's the chicka chicka boom boom pileup. I did this with help from this wonderful phone. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you could skip and look at this pileup, it can much be appreciated to you. I mean, it could be like, it's up to you. Either you want to follow the tutorial or look at this thing and look at the pileup, and then you just follow along. So here's the tutorial. So first, what you want to do is, like I will do this, I'll do it in a specific order, like how it was on the camera. So I'm going to show you right now. If this gets too far away, I'll show you. Just put M here. Put L on top. Put S here. Put Z on top of S like this. And put E like this. Put A like this. Put W, maybe like this. Put V here. Put Q here. Put U and N like this. I don't have enough room for W to touch U. The letter U, not actually the viewers. I'm so sorry. And let me move this. Oh no, I think I messed this up. Let me put the camera closer. No. Put this in a better position. Put R here. O is here. H is here. F is like this, next to H, like this. J is over. I'm gonna get a better view. I'm so sorry. T is over here. B, oh, I'm so sorry. B is there. D is here. Put C and X next to each other like this. Put K here. P here. The letter P. G is here. I is there and Y is there. Let me check. Screenshot. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry. So sorry, the tutorial. I could remake this, but my tripod is broken. I'm so sorry. I'm not kidding. My tripod is broken, so I have to hold it like this or do this. I'm true. Please don't sue me for $1 million. But what I could have done, made it farther. Yep. Yeah, this is how I'm doing it. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will edit this video soon and change the category. And if it's fixed, let me know. No, I'm not saying let me know when the category is changed, but I'm trying to say that, let me think. You should, we are experiencing some technical difficulties here. Please stand by. So, you have to give a like on this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on any new video. So, all I have to say is bye.